you go. Uh-oh.
You got this, buddy. You can do it. It's okay if you still need to use things to pull yourself up, buddy.
We found it. The New York connection between the Egyptian stone amulet and Calgary. Anybody we know? You tell me. Egyptians believe the shipment was sent to an ancient civilization's expert in Soho named Raquel LaRoque. I know the name. She's an Egyptologist. Apparently that's her day job. She's a fence. And a damn good one. Check out her concealment technique. The shipments she gets look like Egyptian gift shop tchotchkes. But in reality, they're highly durable, X-ray-proof molds built around real priceless.
Was he in your way?
Mommy returns.
I guess he was. Hi, sweetie. You still going? Okay. You're doing so good. Good job, buddy. Good job. Yay, you. Just gonna keep going? Okay, well, I'm gonna stop my video, though, because... Well, maybe you're gonna stand up. You wanna stand up? It's okay if you still need help, buddy. It's okay. He's doing so good.